This is the process of how to make a group on Snapchat. Open up your Snapchat application and then head over to your Snaps tab, which is the second option. This is the first option and this is the second option. Now on the bottom right of the screen, which is the blue button, simply tap on it, and now you could add friends to this group. You can type in the name of your friends, or you can just select your friends from here. You can add up to 100 friends in this group. You can also name this group if you want. After you selected all your group, you can simply tap on chat with group. You can also do the same with a call. If you want to call them directly, you can tap on the call section and then add people and then tap on start group call. That's how you can make a group on Snapchat.